Shiba Inu started as a meme, but today it is no longer just a joke. Behind the Shiba Inu coin is a full blockchain ecosystem with smart contracts, decentralized exchanges, NFTs, and its own layer-2 network. So what exactly is Shiba Inu coin, and what technology actually powers it? Let's break it down. Shiba Inu coin, which you probably know as SHIB, is a cryptocurrency that was launched back in 2020. Its creator, known only as Ryoshi, started it as an experiment in decentralized community building. It was a test to see if a project could run and grow without a central leader or a formal team. Now, one of the most common misconceptions about SHIB is that it's its own blockchain, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. But that's not the case. SHIB is actually what's known as an ERC-20 token. This means it was built and runs on the Ethereum network. Think of it like an app that runs on your phone's operating system. SHIB is the app, and Ethereum is the operating system. This is a crucial point because it means all of its functions are based on Ethereum's smart contract technology. So why does being built on Ethereum matter so much? Well, Ethereum isn't just a network for sending money. Its main feature is the ability for developers to create and deploy smart contracts. These are essentially self-executing programs that run automatically when certain conditions are met, all without needing any middlemen. Imagine a vending machine. You put in money, select an item, and the machine automatically gives you your snack. A smart contract works in a similar way, but for digital assets and agreements. By building on Ethereum, SHIB automatically inherits several powerful features. First is security. Ethereum is one of the most secure and battle-tested blockchains in the world, so SHIB benefits from that security blanket. Second is decentralization. The Ethereum network is maintained by thousands of computers worldwide, so no single person or group can control it. And third is compatibility. Since it's an ERC-20 token, SHIB works seamlessly with a huge range of existing crypto wallets, exchanges, and decentralized finance apps, or DeFi apps, right out of the box. Now, let's clear up another common point of confusion. Shiba Inu isn't just one coin. It's an entire ecosystem of multiple interconnected tokens, each with a specific purpose. First, you have SHIB, which is the main token. It's abundant and designed to be accessible to everyone, and it's the most well-known part of the ecosystem. Then there's Leash, which was originally envisioned as a rebase token pegged to the price of Dogecoin, but its function has since changed. Now, it's known for its extremely limited supply, making it a star-of-value asset within the ecosystem, often used for exclusive rewards and access. Finally, there's Bone. Bone is the governance token of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. This means that if you hold Bone, you get to vote on proposals that affect the future of the project. It also serves another critical role as the gas token for Shiba's own Layer-2 network, which we'll get into in just a bit. These three tokens, SHIB, Leash, and Bone, all work together to power the different parts of the Shiba ecosystem, from decentralized trading to community governance. At the very core of this ecosystem is a piece of technology called ShibaSwap. ShibaSwap is a decentralized exchange, or DEX. Unlike a traditional exchange like Coinbase or Binance, where a central company holds your funds and facilitates trades, a DEX is run entirely by automated smart contracts on the blockchain. There's no central authority, and you always maintain control of your own crypto assets in your own wallet. On ShibaSwap, users can perform several key functions. You can swap one token for another, for instance, trading Ethereum for SHIB. You can also become a liquidity provider. This means you deposit a pair of tokens into a pool, which other people can then use to trade. In return for providing this liquidity, you earn rewards. And you can also stake your assets, which is like locking up your SHIB, Leash, or Bone tokens in a smart contract to help secure the network and again, earn rewards. All of these functions swapping, providing liquidity, staking are powered by Ethereum smart contracts, enabling a financial system that operates without any banks or intermediaries. One of the biggest challenges for any project built on Ethereum has always been the high transaction fees, often called gas fees, especially during times of high network traffic. To solve this problem, the Shiba Inu team introduced Shibarium. Shibarium is a layer-2 blockchain. Think of it like an express lane built on top of a busy highway. The highway is the main Ethereum network, or Layer 1, Shibarium, the Layer 2, processes transactions on its own separate, faster lane. It bundles them together and then sends a summary back to the main Ethereum chain for final security. This approach dramatically reduces transaction fees and significantly increases speed. This makes using apps within the Shiba ecosystem much cheaper and faster for the average user. And remember the BONE token we talked about earlier? This is where it plays its most critical role. On Shibarium, BONE is used to pay for gas fees, just like ETH is used on the main Ethereum network. The launch of Shibarium is arguably the single most important technical upgrade in the history of the Shiba ecosystem, as it paves the way for scalable and affordable applications. Let's talk about SHIB's supply. When it was created, SHIB had a massive initial supply of 1 quadrillion tokens. To manage this huge number, the ecosystem uses a mechanism called token burning. Token burning means permanently removing coins from circulation by sending them to a dead wallet address that no one can access. Once a token is sent there, it's gone forever. In the Shiba ecosystem, a portion of the transaction fees paid in BONE on the Shibarium network is converted to SHIB and then automatically burned. This process is built directly into the system's usage. Now, it's very important to understand what this means. Burning reduces the total supply of SHIB over time. However, burning does not automatically guarantee that the price will go up. Price is determined by both supply and demand. While burning affects the supply side of the equation, it doesn't change the demand. It's a deflationary mechanism, but not a magic price pumping button. So, with all this technology, is Shiba Inu truly decentralized? The answer is a bit nuanced. The day-to-day operations, like trading on ShibaSwap or transactions on Shibarium, are run by decentralized smart contracts. No single person can stop a swap from happening. However, the strategic direction and development of the project, like the decision to build Shibarium in the first place, still depend on its core community leaders and developers. This is a model of partial decentralization, and frankly, it's how most modern crypto projects operate today. They use decentralized technology for execution, but rely on a core group for innovation and future development. It's a balance between community-driven governance and focused leadership. So, what is Shiba Inu actually used for today? It has evolved far beyond just being a meme coin that people buy and hold. Its primary use case is within the world of DeFi through applications like ShibaSwap. The ecosystem also has a growing presence in the NFT space, with projects like ShibaSwap. While not widely accepted yet, it is being used for payments by a small but growing number of merchants. And as we discussed, holding BONE allows you to participate in governance, giving you a say in the project's future. The BONE token is also essential for utility on the Shibarium network, paying for transaction fees. So, from finance to digital art to governance, SHIB has carved out a real utility for itself. To sum it all up, Shiba Inu Coin is no longer just a meme token. It has matured into a complex and ambitious blockchain ecosystem. It's built on the secure foundation of Ethereum, powered by the logic of smart contracts, and made scalable with its own Layer 2 technology, Shibarium. While the hype and community are what brought it to fame, it's the underlying technology that will determine its future. Understanding that technology is far more important than just following the hype. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the tech behind the crypto you know.